okay, it may not work today, it may not work tomorrow, but this is the right thing, and this is what I'm doing, and this is what's feeding me. So no, just believe in what you're doing. And if you don't believe in it, then you're not doing it. You haven't figured out the thing that you do best yet.
Said he gonna leave us one day. Leave home one day. Let me say this. So many years, so many days, living in sand. So many times we've been on.
Okay, Ryan City Meet is Sunday. It's Friday. Anyways, what I want to do, last time I did a mask, and that was before Corona. I did a mask that was inspired by Maison Margiela, but it was just a regular like little face mask. Which actually fell apart during, and I don't know why I still kept it because like I can't use it anymore, but it's still cool. Anyways, I want to do it again. I make another mask, but now this time I actually make a Maison Margiela joint. It's not a full one apparently. I went to an Audubon here in Memphis, and they give you this little mask to put over or put under your helmet, and I'm not gonna use it anymore past there, so I'm gonna use it for something, right? So I got a mannequin head, and I got some diamonds and pearls right here somewhere. Some trusty E6000. I'm just gonna bedazzle this bad boy. Pretty easy, right? Yeah, let's get on.